This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Instagram now and restart the app so cached UI changes apply. Once done, check your account type and activity because notes roll out selectively. Business or unusual accounts can lack the feature. Make sure your profile is not set to a restricted state and that your phone's region and language settings match a supported locale. This matters because Instagram gates some features by region. If any prerequisite fails, correct it before continuing. Next, reset the app state to force feature flags to refresh. You will log out, clear cache on Android or uninstall and reinstall on iOS, then log back in. This removes stale UI layers. Make sure background app refresh and notifications are enabled so Instagram can fetch remote feature toggles. If Notes remains absent, switch your device language or region to a supported one briefly. This often prompts Instagram to present gated features. After verification, revert regional settings if needed. Finally, verify directly. Open your inbox, check the top notes area, and create a short note to confirm functionality. If Notes still does not appear, use the app's help report a problem with a clear description and screenshots. Instagram's backend team can flip your feature flag. As a troubleshooting tip, sign in with a secondary account that previously had Notes on the same device. If that account sees Notes, the issue is account-specific and needs support intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.